Hey, Emma. Have you ever noticed how often we say sorry, even when we don't need to?
Oh, Robert. Yeah, I do that all the time. It's almost automatic.
Exactly. And the thing is, it makes your English sound weak, even if your grammar is fine.
Really? I never thought of it like that.
Well, think about it. Every time you say sorry unnecessarily, you're signaling doubt, hesitation, even fear.
Oh, I see. So it's more about confidence than correctness.
Bingo. Confidence speaks louder than perfect words. And this tiny habit can change everything. Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're talking about something subtle but powerful, the sorry habit in English.
Yeah, Emma and Robert's favorite topic, huh?
Exactly. And trust me, after today, you'll notice every time you say sorry. Let's get real. You're in a conversation, you make a small mistake, and what comes out?
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean.
Right. And that tiny sorry can break the flow and make you sound unsure.
Hmm. Yeah, I do that in meetings, even with friends sometimes.
Exactly. And it's not just saying sorry, it's about your mindset. Your brain is conditioned to apologize even when unnecessary.
Oh, I never realized. It's like a mental reflex.
Yes. And guess what? Most beginners do it constantly, and intermediate learners too.
So every time I say sorry, I'm actually weakening my English?
Well, you're sending a subtle signal. I'm not sure of myself. But don't worry, it can be fixed.
Oh, please tell me how. I hate that nervous vibe.
Let's break it down. First step, awareness. Record yourself speaking English. Listen to your sentences. Count how many times you say sorry or unnecessary filler words.
Hmm. Okay. So I literally monitor myself?
Exactly. You'll be shocked. Sometimes it's 10 to 15 times in just 5 minutes.
Oh my. That's wow.
Step 2, replace it. Every time you feel like saying sorry, pause, take a breath, and say something neutral, like, let me explain. I think. Here's my idea.
Oh, that makes sense. So I redirect my speech instead of apologizing.
Exactly. It's subtle, but it builds confidence fast.
Hmm, I can try that today. At work and with friends.
Also, notice your body language. Shoulders back, head up. Even if you feel nervous, your confidence signals itself.
Wow, I didn't know body posture mattered that much.
Oh, yes. Your words follow your posture. Confidence is a habit, not just a feeling. All right, Emma. Now let's try a real conversation. Imagine you're in a meeting.
Uh, okay. I'm nervous already.
Don't worry. Just notice the moments when you want to say sorry.
Hmm. So, like when I forget a word or stumble on a sentence?
Exactly. That's the trigger.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Let's say someone asks your opinion. You start, and you think you're wrong.
So I might say, sorry, I don't know,
Yes. Now replace that with, well, here's what I think.
hmm. Oh, I see the difference. It sounds much stronger.
Exactly. Even a tiny word change shifts perception.
You know, that actually makes me feel a bit more confident already.
Next, daily exercise. Before speaking English, say one positive statement to yourself. I can speak clearly. My English is improving. I can express my ideas.
Oh, that's like mental prep, right?
Yes, this primes your brain, reduces unnecessary apologies.
Uh, okay. I'll do that every morning.
During a conversation, catch yourself. Every time you say sorry, pause, then continue with a neutral phrase.
Hmm. So I can correct mid-sentence?
Exactly. Even native speakers do this. It's normal. You're practicing confidence, not perfection.
Oh, that feels empowering, not scary.
Let's try short examples. 1. Someone interrupts you. 2. You forget a word. 3. You hesitate.
Okay, let's do it.
Scenario 1. You're speaking. Someone cuts in. What's your first thought?
Uh, oh, I should apologize.
Stop. Instead of sorry, say, well, I was saying, or let me finish.
Uh, oh, that's much better.
Scenario 2. Forget a word mid-sentence.
Oh, maybe I'll say, sorry, what's the word?
Nope. Just pause, take a breath, and paraphrase. You know, the thing I mean is,
Oh, I like that. Much smoother. Robert, I feel like a mini coach now, correcting myself in real time.
well, that's the idea, Emma. Practice over time, this becomes automatic.
Uh, oh, I can feel it already.
Okay, Emma. Now we move to more tricky situations. You're speaking, someone asks a sudden question.
Oh, my heart races already.
Hmm, it's normal. Instead of apologizing, pause, breathe, then answer calmly.
Oh, I see. So pause is better than a sorry reflex.
Exactly. Your brain needs time to catch up, and your words become more confident. Imagine a colleague says, "Do you know the answer?" You hesitate.
Uh, I would probably say, sorry, I'm not sure.
No. Instead, try, "Well, let me think," or "I think it might be."
Hmm. Oh, that feels much stronger.
Yes. Notice the difference. No apology, just confidence. Next, self-correction. When you catch yourself saying sorry, replace mid-sentence.
Oh, hmm. Like redirect my words?
Exactly. Example, sorry, I don't know. Change to, well, let's see.
Oh, much smoother.
Scenario, group discussion. Someone interrupts you.
Ah. Oh, I might say, sorry?
Stop. Instead, well, as I was saying, you keep control.
Oh, I love that.
Scenario, forget a word.
Uh, I usually stammer, sorry, what's the word?
Nope. Pause. Say, you know, the thing I mean is,
Oh, much better. Feels natural. Oh, Robert. I feel like Emma is my personal coach, correcting me mid-sentence.
well, that's the point. Confidence grows with tiny repeated actions.
Uh, oh yeah, I can feel it working.
All right, Emma. Now we tackle the advanced scenarios, situations that trigger stress.
Uh-oh, my palms are sweating already.
It's normal. Don't worry. Even native speakers get nervous sometimes. The key is stay aware and reduce unnecessary sorries. Imagine you're in a team meeting. Someone asks you directly, "What do you think about this project?"
Uh, oh, I might panic. Sorry, I'm not sure.
No. Instead, say, well, I think, or in my opinion.
Oh, that already feels more confident.
Exactly. Huh. Notice how one phrase change shifts the tone. Next, let's simulate stress. You're called on randomly in class or at work.
Uh, oh, my mind freezes.
Pause. Take a breath, then start with neutral words. Let me think. Here's my idea. You know,
Oh, that's much better.
yes, even a 2-second pause changes everything. Scenario. You're telling a story and you forget one word mid-sentence.
Uh, oh, I would probably say, sorry. What's the word?
No. Pause. Paraphrase. You know, the thing I mean is.
Oh, yeah, that's so much smoother.
Scenario. Someone challenges your idea.
Uh, oh, I usually apologize immediately. Sorry, I might be wrong.
Stop. Say instead, well, I see your point. Here's my perspective. You maintain confidence and flow.
Hi, Robert. I feel like I'm learning live coaching mid-conversation.
Exactly, Emma. Confidence grows one tiny habit at a time.
Uh, oh, I think I can do this in real life now.
Every day. 1. Record yourself. 2. Count unnecessary sorries. 3. Replace them with neutral phrases. 4. Notice body language. 5. Practice 5 minutes daily.
That feels very actionable.
Yes, consistency is key. You don't need perfect English. You need confident English.
Oh, oh, yeah. I feel ready to try this today.
Exactly, Emma. That's the goal of this episode. Not perfection, but natural, confident speaking. Remember, stop saying unnecessary sorry, pause when needed, redirect with neutral phrases, maintain posture and confidence, practice daily.
Mm, oh, thank you, Robert. I feel so much more aware now.
You're welcome, Emma. Just small changes, repeated daily, and your English will sound naturally confident.
Yes. Oh, I can feel the difference already.